We're back in Hong Kong. Now we're checking in still Chungking Mansion. But look at this one. Ah, what is this? It's a big bed, almost double. And there's another bed. And there's a lot of luggage, of course.
What is it?
There's a desk of some kind, and a trash can, and a fan, and an aircon, and another aircon. This one doesn't work, I know that. And some ventilation going on there. And there's actually a window you can look out. We're not going to do that. And look at this big toilet. This is okay. This is okay. And the price of this is just about the same after the scam of last time, but so much more space. So much cleaner. She just cleaned it up for us. So much better. Altogether 300 Hong Kong dollar. A little negotiating was going on, of course. I want 500. No, I don't want 500. It's too expensive. Blah, blah, blah. 300 it is. So perfect.
Yeah.
Gotta stay here one night. And then back to Denmark.
But I like
So
it
that's
though
it.
because it's
Oh, no, wait. CM wanna say something.
No, I like it here because it looks clean. You know, it's
It is
clean,
clean.
and it smells clean.
Yes, it smells
Yeah.
of cleaning.
And the room and the bed is
It's
bigger
big.
compared to the other
It's
one.
not super big, but it's big.
Yeah,
It's big
the
enough.
toilet is wet, but
Yeah, it's wet. She just cleaned it.
Yeah.
And you know, it's Filipino cleanings. And that's always the way they like it, leave it wet, because
oh
that-
my gosh, almost died.
that's equivalent on, yeah.
But still clean. I'm happy in this one.
Only seen one cockroach so far, no problem. No problem. So, that's it. Take care.
Hi guys, balik naman kami sa Hong Kong ngayon for a day din. Layover lang siya, tapos tomorrow pa Denmark na naman kami. So we're just walking. Ito daw yung parang famous na hotel dito. Peninsula. Tanawa daw. Oh no, feeling batan-on. Ang ganda ng view, promise.
Kagabi nga nilagay mo yung lights.
Mo nakaari naming Martin oy.
Ato lights.
Oh, mga lights niya murag mag
Oh, okay. Yeah. They was here with the harbor. She love Star Ferry.
ganda.
Fine, I better move.
Where have you been? We've been looking for you. So now we're going to there. Magano kami guys, mag-tour kami. Mag-bus tour pero ferry muna and then punta ng stop ng ano. Oh, where should we sit, guys? Here, oh. Ito yung ano, inside ng ferry.
Love, you have to buy like this armor.
Like what?
Like armor. Very handy.
Why should I buy it like
Because it's
So
beautiful. What are you talking about, Hazel?
Very handy.
Yeah, so nasa ferry kami, guys.
You cannot.
Is it like 5 minutes or 10 minutes?
5 minutes.
Yeah, around 5 minutes and then we go out para mag-bus tour.
I see. Now my face is also here. Longer arms. Ah, nice. Oi.
Angry woman. See? There. Namin outside.
Nakuha taon ako cellphone.
Asin dahil? I-save gila nila? Same hotel lang? That's nice. Yan yung view namin outside. Super nice. Ang pangalawang business na namin itong gawin guys. Yung first parang 4 years ago ata. Tapos gagawin na naman ulit. And I'm excited kasi matagal na din yun.
We got the ferry. Let's flip it.
You have to stop doing that. That's why it becomes black. So ugly. When you flip it, you stop first.
You see, old man is also recording.
Sige mo picture sa bigay pa tayo yung friends.
Taas ng building, oh. Super. Bakit ka umuurong na eh? Bakit ka umuurong, Hazel? What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what?